Good morning student. Today we are going to learn about full adder. So, what is full adder? Full adder is the adder which adds 3 inputs and produces 2 outputs. So, in full adder we are using 3 inputs and we are getting 2 outputs. The first 2 inputs are A and B, and the third input is an input carry, that is denoted by C in. Then the output carry is designated as C out, and the normal output is designated as sum, which is S. So a full adder logic is designed in such a manner that it can take 8 inputs together to create a byte word adder and cascade the carry bit from one adder to another. So here we are using 3 inputs A, B and C in, and we are getting 2 outputs, that is sum and carry out. So this is the truth table of a full adder circuit. So in truth table we are taking 3 inputs A, B and C in, and 2 outputs are sum and carry out. So for 3 inputs the number of possible combinations are 8. So the possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. So first 0, 0, 0. When these 3 input are added, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that equals to sum 0 and carry out is also 0. The next combination 0 plus 0 plus 1. So here sum is 1 and carry out is 0. Next 0 plus 1 plus 0. So sum is 1, carry out is 0. Next 0 plus 1 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equals to 10. So in 10 sum is 0 and carry out is 1. Next 1 plus 0 plus 0. So here sum is 1 and carry out is 0. Next 1 plus 0 plus 1. Here 1 plus 0 equals to 1 and 1 plus 1 equals to 10. So in 10 sum is 0 and carry out is 1. Next 1 plus 1 plus 0. So here 1 plus 1 is equals to 10. Then 10 plus 0 equals to 10. So in 10 sum is 0 and carry out is 1. Next 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here 1 plus 1 is equals to 10. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So in 11 sum is 1 and carry out is equals to 1. So this is the truth table of a full adder circuit. Then according to this truth table we are implementing the logic gates. So for implementing logic gates, first we will learn about logical expression. So first we are finding out the logical expression for sum and carry out. So in this truth table, in which place the value of sum is 1, we will find out the possible combination of that place. So first here in sum column 4 1 are there. 4 1 are there. So in this one the input values are 0 0 1. So the possible combination is A bar, B bar, C. 0 stands for complement and 1 stands for normal form. So 0 means A complement. Here B equals to 0 means B complement. Here C in equals to 1 means only C in. So A bar, B bar, C in. Next for this one the possible combination is A bar, B, C in bar. Next for this one the possible combination is A, B bar, C in bar. Next for this one the possible combination is A, B, C in bar. So when we are adding these 4 possible combinations, then we are getting the logical expression for sum. So A bar, B bar, C in, plus A bar B Cin bar plus A bar Cin bar plus A B Cin. So here in these two expression we are taking Cin as common. So by taking Cin as common, it is A bar B bar plus AB, plus from these two expression we are taking Cin bar as common. So here Cin bar whole into A bar B plus AB bar. So that equals to Cin XOR A XOR B. Cin XOR A XOR B. So that equals to A XOR B XOR Cin. Cin XOR A XOR B means A XOR B XOR C. So the final logical expression for sum is A XOR B XOR C. Then come to logical expression for carry out, that means C out. So from this truth table we are getting the logic expression for C out. So at which place the value of C out is 1, we are finding out the possible combination for that place. So here in this place the C out value is 1. So for this one the possible combination is A bar B Cin. Next for this one the possible combination is A B bar Cin. Next for this one the possible combination is A B Cin bar. Next for this one the possible combination is A B Cin. So the logical expression for C out is A bar B Cin plus A B bar Cin plus A B Cin bar plus A B Cin. So after simplifying this logical expression, we are getting the final expression for C out, that is AB plus Cin whole into A XOR B. So the logical expression for sum is A XOR B XOR Cin, and the logical expression for C out is AB plus Cin whole into A XOR B. Next come to the logic circuit of a full adder. So by using these two expressions we are implementing or we are constructing the logic circuit of a full adder. So first the logical expression for sum is A XOR B XOR Cin. So here we are using two XOR gate. So the first XOR gate, so to this first XOR gate the inputs are A and B. So the output is A XOR B. Next for second XOR gate the inputs are A XOR B and Cin. So when A XOR B and Cin are giving to another XOR gate, the output is A XOR B XOR C, that equals to sum. Then come to carry out. So the logical expression for carry out is AB plus Cin whole into A XOR B. So one XOR gate is needed and one AND gate is needed for multiplication and one OR gate is needed for addition. So here three gates are needed for implementing the full adder circuit. So here first this is A XOR B. So for the first AND gate we are giving two input as A XOR B and Cin. So A XOR B and Cin are the two inputs for the first AND gate. So the output is A XOR B into Cin. Then the second AND gate, for the second AND gate the two inputs are A and B. So the output is AB. So when these two outputs are added, so we are using one OR gate. So the output is C out, that equals to A XOR B into Cin plus AB. So this is the logical diagram or logic circuit of a full adder circuit. Thank you.